Okay, let's start. Okay. Welcome to second school group at TIMO. And let's see for question 1. Okay. Given the 18th of November 2020 is a Wednesday, which day will be the 15th of November 2032. And you just actually not very difficult. You just need to calculate because you know that in a normal year equal to 52 weeks and 1 day, and leap year equal to 52 weeks and 2 days. Okay, we have this one. We have this information and just count for how many years are there, and just we will count 3 days is okay because it's 18th of November and 15th of November. Okay. Oh, now next what we're going to do next is just count the years because we have 12 years here and only okay, there will be 9 normal years and 3 leap years. Oops. Okay, 3 leap years. And 3 leap years will be cancel the 3 days. You cancel these 3 days, so you just count as 12 normal years for 18. Okay, and 12 divided by 7, which means 1 remaining 5. Okay, and just to count 5 days from Wednesday. So we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So the answer is Monday. Okay, the answer is Monday. Okay, next one. Any questions? No question. The next one. That was the calculation pattern below was along with the bank, and it seems that you look very. You have no idea for that, but right, we just have a look of that. Yeah, have a look of that. Look for the numbers. Look at numbers. It is a Fibonacci series of Maclaurin series, and just try about maybe a little bit more time on it. Okay, you found that from first term over, we have 1 times 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 1 times 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and 1 times 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So we start. We have a pattern. We have from third term over, we have the relation of the 3 terms at the beginning from we have multiplied the first term and the third term and adding one at the middle, and we have for example something like this. So when we have the pattern, and we have got, for example, we got this one, and the next one will be 107, and 7 times 107 plus 24i equal to 774. So the next one will be 75 times 774 plus 107. Okay, so it's equal to 19457. Okay, the answer is 19,457. 19,457. Okay. Okay. Okay, next one. Next one. There are 24 questions in the paper. And the scores which check question will be following: 2 marks will give a correct answer, 1 different wrong answer, and 0 marks will give a blank answer. Fundamental number of candidates. So answer 4 candidates will have the same scores in combination. So you just use pigeonhole principle, okay? Pigeonhole principle. And first we count how many there are pigeonholes there, okay? How many pigeonholes there? Now we have full marks of 48 marks. Okay, do we have 47? We don't have 47 because we don't have we cannot have 47 marks. You not because there will not be combination of 47 marks here, because when you if you answer all the questions right, you have 48, but you don't have the space for one question wrong. Okay, because then will be 25 questions. You have 24 right and 1 wrong will be 25 questions, but we have only 24 only. So there will no 47. No 47. And 46 is variable because we have 23 questions is right and no question is wrong. Okay. So etc. We have 45, 44 is okay, and up to 0. Then what is 0? 0 is you don't have any question right or wrong. Okay. And -1, -1, -2, then goes up to -24. Because you get all this wrong, then it will be -24. So the total number of pigeonholes here will be 24 plus 48. 24 plus 48 is 72. Okay. And for four people here, 4 people same mark, so there will be 72 times 3 for every mark have 3 people here, and plus the 1. Okay, plus 1, which is equal to 2 and 7. So the answer will be 2 and 7. For the one is for the last one. The last one to put in the pigeonhole for the 4 people for certain marks for have 4 people. Okay. Okay. Next one. This question 4 is some kind of physics. Okay. You I think you take physics in secondary school, senior secondary. Okay. So you just something like this. Boost comes east for 24 kilometers, and south for 8 kilometers, and north for 36 kilometers, and west for 3 kilometers. So it's just something like this one. 24. This is 8. This is 36. So this is 3. So the distance you have traveled is here. So you just calculate this one and calculate this one and use Pythagoras theorem, okay? Oh, then this will be the upper one. I use the other color. Okay, this is 24 minus 3. And this is 36 minus 8. Now we should go 21, and this equals 28. And this obviously we have a rectangle triangle here. So you just use Pythagoras theorem, which is 20 squared plus 20x squared, the square root. Okay. It's 35. Just 36. Okay. Or maybe I'll give you a minute. Okay. Okay. Question 5. Find the largest 2-digit prime number that equal to sum of 3 different primes. Of course, you know that the largest prime 2-digit number is 97, and you just try if it can be written as 3 different primes, and Okay. Now there much actually there is any a lot of solution on this one. And we have one of this one. Okay, I'll give you one of this. Very simple. 97 equal to 31 plus 29 plus 37. You at least I have 4 solutions here, and you have your exercise to try to find the other 3. Okay, if you have time. Okay, for question 6. Now this I think it should be here, but it's very simple. Okay. Okay, because now we are it's a standard method to do this one. For each 4 digit, you use like slash this array. Okay, because they're very simple. Because 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. So every 4 digit in binary number represent a hexadecimal number. Okay, so you just convert this one 1101. You just convert. Okay. Now you have four things to convert. You have 11. Okay. Then you have 3. Okay. Just normally as a decimal number. Okay, 111. Okay, equal to equal to 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 in the 15 decimal number. They equal to the F in hexadecimal. Okay, same as 1100. 1100 is x plus 4. Okay, to 12, then equal to C. Okay, 1101. Okay, equal to now it's same as 13, and it should be. Okay, so we have 3D. VF. Oops. VF. CD. So that we have CFCD separately. Okay, so the answer VFCD, which maybe you have to write down the decimal first. Okay, whether for 16 here because it's a hexadecimal number. Okay. Okay. Any question? Okay. Okay, the next one. Now we have some algebras. I think this question should be a little bit tedious, but it's still okay. It's still okay. Now we have how can you do this one? How can you do this one? Actually, some of you will very fast and have finished it before me. Okay, but it's okay. Anyway, we are in a Olympic mathematics, and some of you are very smart and very good. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, now we have actually you if you have some question on this one, it will be because there's 4 terms in one of this expression, the expansion, but you have to have the idea to do it. But actually, you can simplify something like this one, and we will convert this one. Okay, minus 2x squared times x minus 1. So sorry, 1 minus x. So it should be 1 minus x. Okay, the whole thing cubed. Okay, 2x squared times 1 minus x whole cubed. You take out the 2x squared at the term at the back. Okay, that will be 1 minus x the whole cubed. Now you can easily use binomial theorem or multinomial, but if you have something come like this one, you can use binomial theorem without difficulties. Okay, now it's equal to bracket 2 plus x cubed minus 3 2 plus x 1 minus x also, so 2x squared 1 minus x. Oh, I missed out something. I think I have to put this one here. Yes, 2x squared. For not confusing you, I think I'll do something this one. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Minus plus 3, 2 plus x, 2x squared squared. 1 minus x squared. Actually, I don't need to write this term. I don't need to write this term because we have one term here. We have one term here. Okay, this term makes you already in the power in the x of 4. Okay, so you don't actually you don't this is already higher power here. So actually I don't need to write this one. Okay, so you have this, you have the one in the front is enough. Actually this is enough. Okay, the next one. Then I will explain this one. I will explain the one first. X plus 12x plus 6x squared plus x cubed. Okay, the front in the front. Then the next one will be minus 3 2x squared 4 plus 4x plus x squared 1 minus x. Okay, plus blah blah blah. Terms higher power. Okay, you don't need to write. Okay. Now, actually you can group terms now, but if you are Olympic maths, you don't need to group terms here, just to count it directly because you just the coefficient of x squared. Oops. Now we just want to count here. It's just to count this one, and because we have squared here already, so you just count the numbers. This number and this number. Okay, times 3. Okay, times 3. So will be 6 minus 3 times 4 times 2. 3 times 4 times 2, which is -18. So the answer is -18. Okay. Any questions? Okay, next one. Now to solve the equation. Okay, some are very smart. I will give the answer. Will be that I think I will do it here, and I will do here. And now we are log 4. We're base 4. Okay, base 4. Okay. Now use just these two. If you don't know how to do exponential, and you can use and try this one here. Okay, I give you two formulas. Log AB equal to log A plus log B. Okay, K log K to the power A to the power of K equal to K times log A. Okay, use these two questions. If you have these two questions, you can make just make the question very simple, and it becomes something like this one. You just something like this one, and which means you just convert this one to 8 times bracket 3x squared plus 20 the thing over x squared, which equal to 64. Maybe I'll give you the okay. Okay. Now you just simplify. Okay, you just simplify. Next one will become 5x squared plus 20 equal to 5x squared. I think it's x squared. Okay. Then the next one is x squared equal to 4 and x equal to 2 or negative 2. But you know that this is rejected. Rejected, okay? Because we don't have x, we don't have log x for when x is equal to negative, okay? We don't have, because the definition, the domain of everything is the domain of log of x is only in positive numbers, okay? Okay. So answer is true. Answer is true, okay? Any questions? Okay, next one. Next one. Now this question is not too difficult. Actually, for the mock papers, I think this year mock paper is okay, but just a little bit bugs. Okay. Oops. Oh, this much better. Okay. Now when you see when you have observe it carefully. Okay. Now actually you can just do some very good substitution. Actually, this is k. This is x. Okay. This is x. Yes, this is x. Okay. This is x. So you just do some substitution. Okay. You just substitution. We have x equal to 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 plus x. So just something like this one. Okay. Okay. Then it becomes much better. It becomes much better because you can have something like this. Just do some translation. Do some translation. Okay. 1 minus 1 here. This is this should be 2 plus x, and this will be x. And we have an equal sign here. Okay, I draw this. And then you just simplify. You just have the whole thing with x times x, 2 plus x, and we have x 2 plus x, which equal to 2 plus x. Okay, then 2x cancel out. We have x squared equal to 2. We have x squared equal to 2. Okay, but x equal to square root 2 or negative square root 2. But it's rejected. Rejected because x is equal than 0. Okay, so it's square root 2. Square root 2. Okay. Okay, next one. Now, some of you may for question 10, and some of you have just directly substitute. Okay, direct substitute. But it actually, do we have to direct substitute? Actually, you don't need to. Maybe you got this one. Okay, you just square both sides. If equal to x squared, x squared minus 144x plus 5184, because this is 70 square, and x squared minus 145x plus 5184 equal to 0, and x equal to 81 or 64. Okay, but now when you consider, okay, when x is to 64, we find that the right hand side is negative. Okay, so reject this one. Reject this one. Okay, if you put 64 here, what happened? Oops. You put 64 here, then it becomes negative h, but the right left hand side is positive. You don't have a negative sign here, and root x is positive, okay? And so we reject this answer. But there is one way to make you much simpler. You just use this one way, okay? This I can use. Okay. Now method 2. Method 2. Okay. Q equal to root x. Oops. Again, I put it again. Put Q equal. Put it. Then we have Q equal to Q squared minus 72. Okay. And actually, it's almost the same, but it makes it much comfortable for you. Okay. Then Q equal. Then use first method. Okay. Now you just reject the Q. Well, now you just reject negative x. Okay. So you just exceed 81. Then finish. You know that square root number will not be negative. Okay. Much simpler. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, no question. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Now, first, we hide this all up. Okay. Very good. Now you don't need very difficult. You don't need very difficult math to do it. Now we have from beta theorem. We have now a plus b, because a, b are the roots of two. Actual roots means the solution of this one equal to 0. Right? This is when this is equal to 0, which means this one when equal to 0, AB is the solution for x. So we have a plus b. Using the test theorem, we have a plus b equal to 9. No, negative 9. Okay, so negative 9, and a times b equal to 29. Okay, because the roots they are the roots to this equation. Okay. Now the next step is how to make a cube plus b cube from this square. Okay, this square, but they actually not too difficult because we know that you can use long way to do. I have this one. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b cube of a plus b equal to a plus c minus something minus 3 times ab times a plus b. Minus 3 times ab plus a plus c. And you just substitute, okay? You just need to substitute. Which equal to negative 9 cube minus 3 times 29 times negative 9. Okay? Which becomes negative 29 plus 27 times 29, which is 73. Okay, which equal to 54. 54. Okay, the answer is wrong. Okay, 54. 54. Okay. Now you see how to do it. It's just simple substitution. Okay. Okay, good. Next one. Now, all of these are very easy, or they are a little bit easy, but you just get the you should get hold of the logic, okay? You should get hold of the logic. Now, because you start with, okay. Okay, we start this one because you need to have the base, okay? Now, this one. Now you just divide 136 by 7. But it should not be too difficult for you, okay? 3 more 7. Okay. Now, we can now do something. Now, will equal to 3 times 3 to the power of 2, 8, 5, 8, more 7. Oops. More 7. Okay. So what's next? What's next? Actually, the sign should be equivalent, okay? The sign should be equivalent here because we cannot, for Zoom, we cannot type equivalent here. We can also equivalent here, or maybe I finish when I finish out, I add a line to make it equivalent. Okay, 6. Now, okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah. So. Now you should be here. The one here should be equivalent sign. Okay. This should be 3 slash equivalent. Okay. And but why? Why here? We use Fermat's little theorem here. Fermat's little theorem here. Okay. It states that when AP coprime, AP minus A to the power P minus 1 equivalent to 1 more P. Okay. You do this one and finish, okay, very fastly. Any question on this one? So the answer is Saturday. You just count day. Okay, count 1 day was okay. Any question? Okay, next one. Question 14. Question 14. Because you need to because for those for these large number, you need to try separately for 2. Because you cannot just try direct on 44. You need to try divisibility on 2 of this one, and the number should be coprime and times up to 44. And here where we have what we find with 4 times 11. Okay, so we should try use divisibility 4 and 11 to try this number. Okay, when you using 4, the using gives B equal to this one. Okay. For divisibility of 11, for divisibility of 11, we give you this effect result. When we call your, remember in primary school, we found out that maybe or place digits, which equal to 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2, which equal to 17 here. Okay. And this will be even, will equal to 0 plus A plus 1 plus B. Okay. Yeah. And for divisible by 11, okay, there should be 7 equal to A plus B plus 1 plus 11 times a integer. Okay, integer M. Okay. Now, which means that A plus B equal to 16 minus 11 integer. Or maybe try for instance, we can try A plus B equal to 5 because the best range is 5. But if it's even that, some of you may instantly think that A times B is 4, but it's wrong because when you put B, when you put B equal to 5, then A equal to 0. So that the product, the minimum product will be 0. Okay, the product of A plus B minimum is 0. Okay. Okay, next one, 15. 15. Again, 15. Very simple. Not too difficult, but you need some. Okay, you need some multiplication. Okay. Okay, this one, square root of how many positive integers are there? So that square minus 18x plus 61 is an integer. Now first use computing squares first. Okay. It means it becomes this one. Square root x squared minus 18x plus 81 minus 20. Okay, it equals this one. And which equal to x squared minus x, I think of x plus x minus 9, the square of x minus 9, okay. Square minus 20. Now suppose this equal to 8, okay? Suppose this equal to 8, okay? Which is whole integer. Suppose because it should be integer, okay? Now square both sides. Suppose this equal to 8, okay? Then you square both sides, you got x squaring both sides, okay? You got bracket x minus 8 squared minus 20 equal to a squared. And you do some transition again, become x minus 9 squared minus a squared equal to 20. And factorization of the left hand side, we have x minus 9 plus a, x minus 9 minus a equal to 20. Now obviously x minus 9 plus a is larger, okay? So you just factorize left hand side 20. Okay, this 20 times 1. Maybe I may use this here. Start with here. 10 times 2, 5 times 4. Okay, try positive first. Okay, positive first. And you now solve the equation. But actually, we have one set of solution. Only one set of solution is okay because now only this set will satisfy because the order of because when you put now because why this should only this one satisfy, but there's more solution. I will talk about it later. Okay, because when you have this one, when x minus plus a equal to 20 and x minus I plus minus a equal to 1, what happened here? What happened here becomes very trivial because now we will have x or a, one of them becomes not an integer, or both are not integers, or I think it's okay. Both are not integers. They both are not integers. Sorry, my stomach. Okay. So rejected here. Okay, rejected. For this solution, x, this set x, a are not integers. So rejected. Okay. For this set only. For this set. Okay. Also for this set, 5 times 4. Also not integer. But we have in it. But when we have this the middle set, okay, x minus I plus a equal to 10, and x minus 9 minus a equal to 2. Now we have answered this one. We have answered this one because we have x and a. Now actually we can calculate x and a. Okay. We have x equal 50, a equal 4. Okay. We have x equal 50, a equal 4. Of course, you can use draw a Pythagorean triangle to finish this one because it can be used for Pythagorean triangle. Okay. Now what's next? We have what's next? Now because it has positive factors and we also have negative factors. So for example, something like this one, -5 times -4. But also, of course, this should have no solution. This have no solution because the same reason as why 20 and 1 is rejected. Also, this one will be rejected. Also, this one will be rejected. The same reason as why the 20 times 1 will be rejected. These two will be rejected. But one of when we have this next, okay, -2. Another pair of solutions comes from here. Another pair of solution comes from here. This one. Okay. Same odd number. They are the same even number. Then using this solution, we have another one. We got x equal to 7. No, x equal no equal 7. X equal to 3 and a equal 4. A equal to 4. Okay. X equal to 3, a equal to 4. So we have two sets of solutions. So the answer is 2. Answer 2. Okay. Okay. Oh, question 16. Question 16. Question 16 is very simple, but maybe you have missed it. Okay. Maybe some of you, because now first we just just first divide by 24. Okay, equivalent to, okay. Now, oh, we start this one, and then now, and then we have now what we know is 13 squared will be equal to 169. Okay, which means that it's equal to 169 to the power 1000 mod 24. Oh, we remind that they are not equal, they're equivalent. Okay, use three lines. Okay. Now, but you know that 168 is a multiple of 24, so it's equal to 1,1000 mod 24. Okay, then which is equal to 1 mod 24. So the answer is 1. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. For now, okay. I think we're since start. Okay, I forgot to take the record. Sorry about that. Okay, this will be x. This will be x. Okay. Then x equal to okay, then you take the x will be, then the next step is x squared equal to 8x plus 20. Did I get this something more? Oops. Did I get something wrong? Okay. Oh. Rejected. Okay. So x equal to 10. X equal to 10. Okay. Nothing special. Nothing special. Okay. Question 18. Question 18. K to the power 9. K to the power 9. Find the value of k. Really? You don't need to do something like this. Okay, you just check the digits. They are only one, the 30 digits here. And for this one, you have 12 digits. So k should be between 30 and 20. Yes, k is between 20. And you don't need to guess. Check the unit digits is okay, because it's a ninth power. Because 9 equal to 1 more 4. Okay. Okay, so the answer is 24. Finish. So the answer is 24. No need to solve it. No need to solve it. No need to solve it. You don't need to solve it. Actually, just some minor mistakes. Okay, because you just take some non-timer. It's okay. No problem for this one. Okay. Next one. Any question for this one? Any question for this one? Okay. 19. Oops. Oops. How can I do this one? Find the area enclosed by the x-axis and straight line x equal to -4y minus 5 and oh, really? Oh, really? Do you need to do such thing? Okay. Now first, okay. First, because y and these two x's, okay, and you sub okay, so x equals 0. So x equals 0, okay, and you got this will be equal to and for this one will be equal to what? X equal to 0. Okay, and we got let me see. Did I got it wrong? Okay, good. So now you can use shoelace method, okay? You can use shoelace method. Or even, or do we really need to use shoelace method? I think we shouldn't. So you do it until x27. So the answer is 27 times oops, I got this one. I think this one I got it wrong. Okay. I think this one. Then I key this one. Oops. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Oops, again. The answer will be this one. Okay, answer will be this one. 2x over 40. You just find the points and you calculate area, or use the expression. It's okay. Okay. Okay, 20. For point of coordinate pair and find the area of quadrilateral. Really? Let's see. Maybe for safety, I first mark the points on the Cartesian plane, and I use shoelace method. A should be here, -6, -2, 2, 2, -2, 6. Oops. -6, -6, -2 is here. -2, 6 for -1. So this is D. This is B. This is C, and this is A. So use any clockwise. So this is a 2, 2. And we have C is -2, 6. We have A here, -6, -2. And we have D is a 4, -1. And to finish the loop, we have 2 and 2 again. Shoelace method. Shoelace method, which equal to 2 times 6, 12, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, minus, plus 4 again, plus 36, plus 8, plus 2. Over 2. Which is what? 20, 30, 40. 40. The answer is 40. If you use shoelace method, you'll get 40, okay? Anyone don't know shoelace method? This one, okay? This direction is positive. You just multiply the direction of the arrow. So this arrow is positive. For this one, it's positive. For the one from this, I use red, okay? This direction, which will be negative. So you just find the expression for this one. So the answer is 40. The answer is 40. If you use shoelace method, the answer is 40. Okay? Maybe you just check the answer. Check the answer. I calculate 40. Any question? Any question on this one? Any question on this one? No question, then next one. Next one, okay? Next one. Given the tangent x equal to root 7 over 3, find the value of 1 minus cosine 2x. I think it's actually it's a secondary mathematics, okay? Yes. It works. You just put the points on anticlockwise order. You put the points on anticlockwise order. You use two next methods is okay, but you just remember to close the loop. Okay, so we'll close the loop. You have to write the first block at the bottom. Okay, this one. Now, maybe cosine square x minus sine square x. Okay, so 1 minus cosine 2x actually equal to 2 sine square x. 2 sine square x. Okay. Then you start with you can use triangle method. You can draw a triangle. This is 7. And this is 3. Okay. Use Pythagoras theorem. This is 4. Sine square 2x. Two sine square x equal to what? 3/4 square times 2. Which equals now for h. Okay, now for h. Is there something wrong? I think I got something wrong. Oh, oops, I got something wrong. X not here. X is not here. No, X is not here. X should be here. Then I got everything wrong. Okay. X is here. Then you know enough for X. Then I take this away. Oops, again. Okay, I take this away. And it should be equal to. Then the answer will be x 7/8. Okay, 7/8. Because it's equal to 2 times square. 7/8. Okay. The answer will be this one. Okay. 22. You can use distance formula. You can do distance formula. Okay, for the guys, smart guys, they already have given me the answer. But for the one with slower, I can take the formula. Yes, distance formula. Yes. Now I have a point here. We call it xy. We call xy. So this is the equation L. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. No. I cross over. I don't use xy here. Okay, use xy here. I use pq. Okay, I use pq. I should use pq. Pq is better. Pq. Okay. The distance will be equal to AP plus BQ plus C over A squared plus B squared. Okay. D is equal to, but should be made. Actually, I need to add an absolute sign here because the distance may be negative according to some. There are some circumstances that distance become negative, but the distance of the line won't be negative. So I have to add an absolute line and make it positive. Okay. Now you just substitute the answer. Substitute the answer. So this will be 3x plus 2y minus 18 equal to 0. And this point will be 2 negative 6. So the distance will be equal to 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 2 times 6. Minus 2 times 6 is minus 12. Is 12. And minus 18 over 13. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Okay. And then you do some visualization. Oh, you do some visualization, which become 24 times square root 13 over 13. Very good. Yes, this is formula. Okay. Okay. No question. The next question. Okay. Now 23. Very simple. Very simple. Yes, very direct. Okay. Just use sine formula. Just use sine formula. I don't know why the question is set here. The question should be set in form 3. Okay. At least not here. Okay. Very simple. You just imagine the triangle here. Okay. Okay. You just imagine the triangle here. A. What happened? What happened? This is B. This is C. Okay, this is small a. This is small b. This is small c. Okay, then sine A over A equal to sine C over C. Okay, then you just substitute. Which means sine A equal to sine A over sine C equal to C over A. Equal to C over A. Is it no, sine over sine C, A over C, sorry. My bad, A over C. Which is equal to BC over AB. BC over AB. Yes, offline. Just simple. I don't know why the question put here. Okay. Okay, next one. Anyone have question? Because this is a question not Olympic math. Okay, it's just a high school mathematics. Okay, just high school trigonometry. Okay, high school trigonometry. Okay, if you don't have question, I will go to the next question. Okay. Now, if the extreme angle of an n-base regular polygon is 14 degrees, how do you end? Oh, this should be in form 2. I don't know why it should be. It's set here. It should be form 2 because the extreme angle 14. What is the interior angle? What's the interior angle? The interior angle will 166, which equal to n minus 2 over n times 180. Okay. Then we got Let me see. Oh, what happened? What happened? 166 and the m was okay. The axial angle is 14. 166. Yes, fashion. Yes, fashion. What happened? What happened? But okay, let's go there. Okay, let's go there. Let's divide it. Okay, maybe some kind of mistake. Yes, I think the question said wrong. Okay, I doesn't set the question. Yes, 187. But okay, but the n should be a whole number. N should be a integer. So I take you take the nearest integer. Okay, you take 25. Okay. You take 25. Okay, it should be integer or 26. But 25 is better. 25 is better. Okay, 25. Because if it's 26, the angle will be smaller than 14. The angle if it's 26 is smaller than 14. Okay. Yes. Okay. How come? How come? I think it's I know what the answer. I think it's 24, not 14. Typing error. I think it's 24. Yes. If you got 24, that will be your answer. This one. Should be 24. Typing mistake. Typing mistake. Okay, this one should be 24. Okay, but if 14, I just okay, okay. Yes, should be 24. 24. Okay, you know how actually I don't want it to be here because it's a form 2 question. I don't know why it's here. Okay, but it's the same. Okay. Okay, combinatorics. Okay, next one. Combinatorics. If x and y are positive integers, just set f of x plus 9y equal to 367. Find the maximum value of x minus y. Now, not so. This one will be. This one is okay, and then I think I think it can put here, but actually this one is also simple. Okay, you just you have we have 11x plus 9y equal to 367. We have this one, and because we have to maximum value of x minus y, so you just make so you just try. This is my style. Okay, you can use your style. I will use something like this one, and we try y up to. Okay, now first you ask yourself, 367 equal to what 11? Okay, it is 4. Okay, 4. Then what is y? What is y? Because and then if you put y equal to and then Then the next step is 9y equal to 4 mod 11. The first y will be, the first solution will be this one. Okay? The first solution will be this one. What's the first solution? Good, very good. Yes. The first one is y equal to 9. Okay. So you just put y equal to 9, and f and x will be equal to 367 minus 81, which is equal to what? H equal to 286. Okay. So x equal to 26, y equal to 9, and then x minus y equal to 17. Finish. That's the way of doing it. That's the way of doing it. If the same, if I change the question to y minus 6, then you put the f and x at the other side, and you take the mod of 9 up to 367, and use the same method to check for 9, check for y. Okay. You don't need to do. You don't need to try many numbers, because you just need to solve the modular equation. Just solve the modular equation, and then we got the first answer, and already all things are solved almost. Okay. So the answer here is 17. Answer is 17. Okay, next one. Now fair face size is from 4 times. Find the probability that a product of the number obtained is a multiple of 5. Why 671? Why this one? Why is your answer? Why you get your answer? Why is this answer? Actually very simple, but I want to give some time for other students to have a think of the situation. Very good, very good. Some of you got the logic here. Yes, because it's using a product, so you just, but 5 is a prime number, so you just need to you just find the probability. So just find 1 minus p of no 5s. 1 minus p of no 5s. Okay. So it's equal to 1 minus 5 over 6 to the power of 4. Okay. So which is equal to 671 over. Okay. Just that simple. Just that simple. Okay. Okay, 27. 20 cards marked from 1 to 20 and 3 cards drawn at random. For the probability that 2 cards drawn are multiple of 3 and other one is a prime number. Oh, yeah. Think of how to do this first. Okay, it's okay. I think it's okay to think of how to do this one first. Okay, I do it. Maybe I give some time to you to do it first. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. We have plenty of time. This one. Think about the situation first. Okay. How many prime numbers are there? How many prime numbers are there? Six multiples of 3. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now what's the probability? What's the probability? No, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. But very close. Okay. But very close. Not this one. Not this one. It won't be 800. It won't be 800 because they are not putting back the we are not putting back the cards. Okay, you are not putting back the cards. The denominator should be this one. This is the denominator should be something like this one. And you put the what is the denominator? The double is what is the denominator? Well, nope, nope, not this answer. But maybe check the logic first. Okay, check the logic first. Okay. Wow, wow. Okay, something got something sensible. Okay, I think very good. Very. The prime is 3. Okay, if the prime is 3, okay, split in 2 cases. Okay, someone did this one. Okay, prime is 3. So, so it will be what? Will be what? Five over 20. Oops. If prime the real 3 is 5 over 20 times 4 over 19. Okay, plus, okay, and this is equal to what? Is equal to 1 over 19. 1 over 19, okay, and 2. So it's like this one, okay, 6 over 20 times 5 over 19 times 7 over 18. Somebody said this one, okay? Okay, watch it. What's this one? This should be, let's see. 35 over what? 35 over, okay. No, not 35. Can be much less, okay? Okay, let's see. My bad. My bad. Should be 7 over 228. Yes, 7 over 228. Okay, add them all up. Okay, when you get them all up, you get this one. You get this one. I'll get this one. The prime joint is free. If the prime joint is free, the prime is not free. The prime joint is free, then only have this. The prime joint is not free. Okay, the prime joint is free. The 1 over 19. Okay, the prime not free. Then will be 7 over 18 and 6 over 20. Okay. I think I'll take your answer. It's 1 over 12, okay? I think I'll take your answer. Okay, should be 1 over 12. The answer should be 1 over 12, okay? I think I'll take your answer. Ah, yeah. So we got the bug. So we got my bug. Okay. I take this one. Okay, not this one. Oh, this should be 5 over 20 times 4 over 19 times 1 over 18. Okay, which equal to what? Which equal to okay, much more weird. Okay, but why 1 over 18? But why 1 over 18? Okay. There's something more weird, but actually, I think I take this. I think I take this. Okay. So I get a label free. I'm on the yes. Okay, I know that. Well, how come the 1 over 18 here? I know this one. Okay, then 1 over 18. Yes, good. So something like difficult. This one. Okay. So the answer calculator will be this one. The answer sum is this one. Okay, the sum is this one. 23 over 654. Okay. Okay, next one. 28. Find the numbers of positive integer x such that x squared is smaller than 16x plus 18. Okay. Oh, this one, very simple. This one, simple. Well. Let's calculate this one, okay? Factorize. And you factorize, okay? Oh, no, smaller 0, okay. Yes, I did it. Okay, then you count the numbers, okay? That should be 25 minus 2 is 23, okay? Number x is 23. But, oh no, my bad, 19. We are sleeping now. Positive integer. Positive integer. So its answer 1 to 19. So 19, okay? The answer will be 1 to 19. 19. Positive integer. Okay? So you should have question on this one. You just factorize. You find the range and you find the range and you because it's positive, so it's 1 to 19. So there are 19 answers. Okay. 29. Find the number of combinations arranging 5 identical balls and 5 identical cups in a row. They are all identical, so it's simple. Oops. They are all identical, so very simple. Just put yes. Actually, just 10C5. Of course, you can use factorial. It's just 10C5, okay? Use 10C5, which so that yes, it's okay. Yes. Yes, because they are identical, so it's 10C5. You just swap. You just put 5. You just put 10 places here. There's just 5 places to put the ball. Okay, it's a 5 places to the ball, and so it's just 10C5 because they're all identical. If they are not identical, that should not be NC5. So it's 10C5. Okay, so it's equal to 252. Okay. If they are not identical, they will be much more problem. Okay, they are not identical, they will be much more problem. Because they are identical, just 10C5. You said 5 places, 5 putting 5 identical balls, okay? Or 30. Wow. Why? 100 less than smaller than unit digit. Okay. Now bear in mind that the first digit cannot be 0. So the first digit only have 9 solutions, okay? N times. Okay, let me see. I will construct this one. Okay? We construct the number. After this question, I will give some more to you, okay? Okay, the number should be like this. Okay, so there will be 9 combos here. There are 10 combos here. Yes, so that should be 9 times 10 times what? Okay, this one should be 45. Okay, this one for the. Okay, it should be this one. Let me see. Oops. Yes, yes. 4050, 4050. 4050, okay? This one. 4050. Okay, let's try. Unit digit. If this is 0, no solution. If this is 1, we have a 0 here. If this is 2, we have 0 or 1. If this is 3, 0, 1, 2, and blah, blah, blah. If this is 9, then will be 0 to 8. So you add the possible outcomes here. So it's just 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus up to plus 9. Okay. So you just must 1 up to 9. So it becomes 45. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, just for fun. Okay, just for fun. It's the question from me. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I put the equation here. I put the question here. Oops, sorry. Okay, it's full. Okay, just this one. Okay. The first question is this one. The first it says no. Oops. Okay, typo. 32. Typo. No, not 6,000. Not 6,000. Not 6,000 something. Not 6,000 something. Not this weight. Okay, not this weight. How can you get this answer? How can you get this answer? How can you get this answer? Okay. Okay. How can you get this answer? 3,280. Someone got this one. Okay. How can I get this answer? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. We have this expression. Now we express this with s. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. 2s. Okay. 2s. And you sum it up. Okay. You sum all this up. You sum all this up. Okay. So I sum also. I subtract. Oh, you don't need to sum. Oh no, I don't need to sum this all up. Just by definition, 2s plus 1. By definition, because it's into. Okay, which equal to. So. Okay. Okay, you got this right. You got this right. Okay. Is it very simple? Is it too simple for you? Is it too simple for you? Okay then. Okay then. Now we have okay, next one. You solve this set of equation. Okay. Okay, you use Chinese remainder theorem. Actually, you don't use. Actually, we don't. You can without using Chinese remainder theorem, because in fact it's some kind of very simple. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Someone use Chinese remainder theorem to get the answer, but you don't use the Chinese remainder theorem here, because we have actually they equal to 13 or 15. Okay, K, Q, and Z are integers. Okay, K, Q, and Z are integers. Okay, we have FA equal here. Oh, how about 2A? 2A. 2A will be equal to 13 times 2K plus 14. Okay, 13 times 2K plus 14. And also equal to 15 times 2Q plus 16, which actually equal to 17 times 2Z plus 18. Okay. Then what next? I can say that. Okay. Then 2A will be equal to now the P will be integer, but for the sports I put the P equal to 1. Okay. So you just times 2, third times 2, you find the same remainder. They try to find the same remainder. Okay. Any question on this one? Any question on this one? Okay, the next question. Maybe I think it will be some just a little bit easy, but just use it for your thinking. Okay, this one. There are 25 horses at race for at most 5 horses for racing. Okay, without stopwatch, so you cannot time the horses. Okay, if you can time the horses at 5, some matches enough. It is how many matches we need to find the fastest 3 horses? No, not 6, not 6. Not 6. Not 6. Not 6. Okay, not 6. Well, answer coming. 30, 11. Okay. Any more? Any more answers? Let's think of this one. Why 28? You don't need 28, okay? You don't need 28. 20 is too much. 11. Too much. Too much. No need 11. Okay. Okay. No more answers. Now, first, maybe for instance, you just divide into 5 groups, okay? A, B, C, D, E, okay? But the 5 groups, okay? Then if each group 5 horses, so you have first 5 matches for the okay. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and etc. Oops. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, this one. It also doesn't matter at the back. Okay. Now, the 6th match. This is the 6th match. Okay. Order determined after the 6th match. Okay. Order determined. So we will find we have slower here. We have slower here. Okay, the faster. So we know that A1 is the fastest. Is okay. Now we know that A1 is the fastest. Okay. Now the next match, The next match will be determined second and the third. So the answer is 7. The answer is 7 match. Okay, 7 match. Seven match is enough. Okay. Now because now we have to find the second and the third. Okay, if I second and third, but you know that how you can count in always which horses is slower than A1 by 2 paces. We will find A2 and A3 for group A. For all grade, A2 and A3 will be slower than A1 by 2 paces, and also B1 and B2 in group B will be B1 and B2, and also in group C will be C1, because the last time because the third the pace C1 can be faster than A2, but it can be slower than B2. So you need to check this one. This will be 7 match. Okay. Then we got finished. So the answer is 7. So the answer is 7. Any question on this one? Any question on this one? This question has been asked in one American IT company for job interview, but you have to answer it in 2 minutes. You answer in 2 minutes. Okay, but it's okay. It's okay. But just have the way of thinking of this one. Okay, this way of thinking of this one. Okay. Okay, the last one. The last one. I think it should be the last one. We're going to change this one into a new video number such that it can be divided by 5. Oops. Okay, this one. But why 6? Why 6? Okay. Last 6812500. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, 6. Yes, most of it. If you put that into okay, the answer is 6. Okay, the answer is 6 here. Answer is 6 here. Okay, maximum K is 6. Okay, maximum K is 6. Very good, very good. Okay. Oh, maybe it's okay. Any question? Any other question on this paper? Any other question on this paper? If no question, we end here. Okay. If no question, we end here. Any other question on this paper? This paper, maybe. If no question, that will be the end of today's lesson. Okay. Wish you maybe have a good result in the examination, and you may leave. Okay. You may leave. Okay.